Okay, so let's see how to connect Google Sheet with one of the Zoho mail data, and for that I will use Zapier, right? So I have one of the Google Sheets that has name and subject. So I'll be taking the data from Zoho email and take these two fields and populate it, right? So to do that, I will just add two apps, one being Google Sheets, second being Zoho email. Already added the Google Sheets. There is also Zoho email. You can search through the text box here within apps page. Simply type in and it will show us the rest of the apps. There is also option for your Google Sheets should reflect here, right? Now what I can do, I can go back to dashboard, and within prompt option there is this option for when email comes in Zoho mail, append it to the Google Sheets, right? So I will generate this app. Yeah, I will do the rest. Try to find the closest possible option. Append Zoho mail emails to Google Sheet. So let's try this if it works. So it will create one of the additional row for that. So we have two things to do. Make sure to first connect Zoho mail, right? Click continue and then give it all the data like inbox, then there is group result, then account details, right? All these options, and then click continue. There is test trigger options. Once you go there, you can take a look at what you can get from the spreadsheet over there, right? So I will choose the email format so that it is easy to read. Next is create spreadsheet row, right? And next we will point out to particular spreadsheet, which is, let's say Zapier demo is one. So drive is Google Drive, then spreadsheet, which is Zapier demo, and then worksheet. Let's try and find, hopefully it's there. So sheet 1 should be there. Okay, and then we have to point to the name. So it should be sender is the name here. Map it with subject to subject. Right? Once you have these two, click continue. Test step, and then you have publish option. Once you have these two things, you are good to go, right? Now it should appear the update within our sheet. As you can see, Cora Digest, then subject, right? These two fields are there, so it should work just fine, right? So we have managed to connect Zoho email with Google Sheets using Zapier.